Controversial ZANU-PF businessman Wikino Chivhayo has sparked debate after publicly urging exiled Zimbabwean political strategist Professor Jonathan Moyo to return home amid growing tensions over the proposed constitutional amendment process. Sadabina mashoko budanjo kapangwa na jinze. Wikino Chivhayo pleads with Jonathan Moyo to come back home and spearhead constitutional amendment process. Remember, subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Tipina mnamudanjo kamchinze. The ruling party recently tabled a bill aimed at extending President mnangagwa's term in office beyond 2028, a move that has generated heated discussion across the political spectrum. On Thursday, Chivhayo took to X. The professor has spoken. Nothing could be further from the truth. Professor Jonathan Moyo, the proposed constitutional amendments, which include the extension of presidential and parliamentary term limits, are nothing new in the history of Zimbabwe and must be understood with our constitutional evolution and the continuous development of our political and democratic space. In fact, what has been proposed is a democratic standard across much of the South Africa and globally, including jurisdictions such as South Africa, Botswana, and even the United Kingdom, where the Prime Minister is elected from among parliamentarians chosen by the electorate. Those making noise or desperately attempting to scandalize the wisdom in this constitutional amendment are either genuinely ignorant of our political history or unfamiliar with the constitutional structures through which leadership is elected in the majority of democratic states worldwide. Like any other sovereign state, Zimbabwe is perfectly entitled to refine its political and governance architecture within the bounds of constitutionalism and as the ruling party deems most appropriate in the interests of the masses. I must acknowledge the importance of opinion leaders such as yourself, Professor. You have consistently demonstrated beyond doubt over years that you are an experienced strategist whose contributions to political matters is well informed. You have been one of the most architects, some of the most developmental policies that continue to empower our people to this very day. Perhaps it is time to come back because home is best. Our revolutionary mass party, ZANU-PF, embraces the principle of being a friend to all and enemy to none. Should you decide to return, I would personally come and pick you from the airport in my 2026 Rolls Royce and chauffeur you home safely. Then, the next morning, you make your way to see Victor and collect a brand new car of your choice. Your learned mind and unmatched intellectual capacity as a political strategist remain second to none. Tomashukano budata kwa pangoini na Chivhayo ni offer yanopa Jonathan Moyo. Na comment section of mtu a mutugipa msoro wechitu page. So unsubscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.